How do I cancel a Rocket Money subscription? Intro. Question hook. Ever signed up for a service, thinking it'd be a game changer, only to realize it's not quite what you expected? Today, we're diving into one of those services, Rocket Money. Context. Rocket Money promises to simplify your finances, but what happens when you're ready to move on? How do you cancel your subscription? Let's break it down step by step. Understanding your subscription. Types of subscriptions. Before we get into the cancellation process, it's important to understand the different types of Rocket Money subscriptions. Are you on a monthly plan, or perhaps an annual one? This will influence how you cancel. Check your account details, log into your Rocket Money account, and go to your settings or account information page. Here, you should find details about your subscription, including your plan type and renewal date. Cancellation methods. Method 1. Online portal. Navigate to Settings. Look for a subscription or membership section in your account settings. Cancel button. You should see a clear Cancel Subscription or similar button. Click on it. Confirmation. Rocket Money might prompt you to confirm your decision. Follow the on-screen instructions. Method 2. Contact customer support. Find contact information. Rocket Money's website or app should have a customer support section. Look for contact details like phone numbers or email addresses. Explain your request. Clearly state your intention to cancel your subscription. Provide your account details for verification. Follow instructions. The customer support representative will guide you through the cancellation process or provide any necessary information. Additional considerations. Refund policy. If you're within Rocket Money's refund window, you may be eligible for a refund. Check their terms of service for details. Data deletion. If you want to completely remove your data from Rocket Money, inquire about their data deletion policy. Alternative financial tools. Explore other financial management tools that might better suit your needs. Outro. Recap. So, there you have it. Canceling your Rocket Money subscription is generally straightforward. Whether you use the online portal or contact customer support, the process should be relatively quick. Call to action. If you're facing any difficulties or have further questions, don't hesitate to leave a comment below. We're here to help. Closing remark. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.